Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a contact form on Google Sites. Let's get started. First, go to sites.google.com and just log in your Google account if you haven't yet. Next, just click on the site you want to add a Google form in. Then on the top of this right panel, click on Pages, then click on the plus sign down here to add a new page. Let's name it with, for example, contact form. Then Google Sites will generate a new page for you. Next, let's switch tabs here and go to Google Forms here in docs.google.com, where you will make your own contact form and customize it yourself using the Customize Theme button. You can also add more questions here using this panel right here. Once you're done, just click on Publish right here, then customize how you want your responders to find your form, and then just click on Publish again. Next, let's go back to our Google site and refresh it. On the top of the same right panel, click on Insert, then scroll down to Forms right here, and you will see that the form you made is now here. Just click on the form and click Insert to add it to your website. And that is how you can easily add a contact form to your Google site. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.